What is up, guys? This is Ricky, and welcome to a brand new segment of my channel called Intellectually Challenged. In short, it's a channel where you basically watch me as I struggle with math and other science-related subjects. Hopefully, this will give you enough motivation to tackle your own homework. And for the record, just because I'm Asian does not mean I'm good at math. And finally, of course, watch this purely for entertainment. Half the things I say will probably not make sense. I am not a teacher. Watch this at your own risk. Alright, let us get started. It is 10:06. Everyone's probably sleeping or scrolling, yet I am here doing math. Not great, but let's do it. Alright. So in this challenge, I'm going to try to do 100 integrals. I'll do them every day. I'll upload parts, and hopefully someone watches. I don't know why you would. And of course, I have my paper with all of the questions, and if I run out, I'm gonna go on YouTube, search some so that there's answers. Anyway, let's get straight into it. First question. Alright, and of course, as I mentioned here, if I get it first try, I'll be happy. Whoa, it looks like I have boobs. Okay. Anyway, alright, let's do this. Let's see how many questions I get this right. Alright, what do I see? So, the integral of 10 to the 5th x times sec to the 3x dx. Alright, what am I gonna do? I think I want to isolate sec tan. Alright, let's isolate sec tan, because then if I take the derivative of secant of x, I can cancel that. Again, don't take this seriously. Alright, if I take this, that means I'm left with this sec squared of x times 10 to the 4th of x dx. So far so good. Alright. This is I'm done with Cal 2, but now it's been like a month and I forgot everything, so I need to get back on my track. Alright, so I have sec tan, I have this. Now what do I do? She got this. Okay, I think you do a u sub here. I think you let, hold on. I think you let u equals to secant of x. This is u substitution. Oh, by the way, I forgot, there's a lot of like younger viewers. This is Cal 2. You won't understand anything, but watch this. Watch me struggle. Alright. Yes. So du, the derivative of u will be equal to, what's the derivative of secant of x? This, right? Bro, move! There you go. Secant of x. Oh, you can move this thing. I didn't know that. dx. There we go. And I think, I have to transform this into secant of x as well. What is that? That's tangent of x squared, which is, and trigonometric identity, that is that 1 minus, or oh crap, is this 1, is it 1 I think it's this. I think it's this, because it's 1 plus tan squared x equals to sec squared x. Trust, guys, trust the process. And okay, now this part here will become u squared, yeah, because sec x is u, and then this is gonna become u squared minus 1 squared, and sec x tan of x is become du, and voila, life is good. I think, yeah, like this part becomes this part. Can I yeah, check this out. This part here du becomes this part, right? That's this. And then this secant of x squared becomes u squared. 10/4 is 10 squared x squared. So, and 10 squared is equal to x squared minus 1. So it's u squared minus 1 squared. Yes, yes. I have a thing here. Trust. Come on, I need to get the first question right. Alright, and now... great. Okay, so now I have a squared here that I have to integrate inside. And I'm just gonna develop it. Okay, so this is like a minus b squared, right? Which is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. A lot of math is just memorization, honestly. Okay, so I replace that with, okay, so u squared. Hold on, chat. There's no chat. I'm alone, but if there were. This is a, right? So this from some in the comment they're gonna say you're bad at math. I'm sorry, man. I'm Asian. This is not easy. A minus b. So this becomes u fourth minus 2 u squared plus 1 du. Don't forget du. I think it's like this, yeah? Because this is squared, minus 2, yeah, ab times, yes, this is good. Yes, this is good. Trust. Oh my god, I'm sinning. I have to write equal. And then we just distribute, right? So that's u to the 6 minus 2 u to the 4 plus u to the squared. Should not be making mistakes here. I shouldn't. Yes. And then all of this du. I'm gonna move this down. Yes, sir. Bro, it's taking too long for just one question. Alright. Now I'm gonna distribute it. So it looks like this. I can probably do this in one shot. I don't know why I'm not doing it. Yes, so this is pretty simple. This is the reverse power rule. So you basically take this exponent, you put it on the front, and then you write the u. Yeah, right? Shit. Oh my crap. Oh hell no, I don't know how to do this. Crap. Hold on. How do you do this? Bro, I should be able to do this, right? Oh, my bad, no. Reverse power rule. You 6 plus 1, 7, and you divide by the number 7. Yes. Minus, in this case, you keep the coefficient, you raise the power, and then you divide by overall. Yes. And of course, don't forget the constant of integration. And is this it? No, it's not, because now, as you can see in the original question, it's integral of par rapport à, I don't know why I'm talking French, x. So I have to transform the u into x, and of course u is secant of x. So I transform everything into secant of x. And this should give me secant power 7 of x minus 2 secant 5x. My handwriting is so bad. Why is the alarm? Yes, it's 10:15. I'm doing math. God. 3 plus c. Voila. This should be the answer. Hopefully, please be the answer. Please be the answer. And the answer is, I wrote this. I'm not cheating, by the way. Secant of x minus 2 plus c. Hallelujah! I got the first question right. Let's go. Alright, now I can change the status of this thing in OBS. How do I do that? Hold on. What if I do no, cause then it's that. Yeah, okay. La 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 la. How do I change? Hold on, give me a second. Give me a second. It's the intro title. It's my first time doing this. I'm not streaming. Give me a properties. Yes. Completed. 1. First try. Yes. I have a streak now. Yes. Boom. I'm gonna lock this. Alright, that was 1 question. I'll do one more. It's taking too long. Delete this. How do I? Yo, I need to delete this thing faster. Yeah, yes. Oh, by the way, if you enjoy this type of content, don't forget to like comment some ideas that you want me to try next, some questions, and please do subscribe. I'm at 69 subscribers. I want to at least get to 100. Let me get at least to 100. Alright, anyway, that was the first question. Now let's do a second one. Alright, the second question already looks hard. Cosine of 2x. You know what? I need to work on my handwriting skills. Also, most of the time I don't even copy the question right. Okay, is this right? This is right. So this is question 2. Can we see it? No, we can't. No, we can't see it. And of course, I effed up, so I have to rewrite this. G-crisis.
I wish I can just select and move it, but of course, doesn't work like that. Math doesn't work like that. Yes, okay. Where's the line? No. Here? Okay, so that's where you can't see. Okay.
Alright. Alright. Question 2. Cosine of x 2x. Man, this is ugly. Cosine of 2x divided by sine of x plus cosine of x dx. Right now I'm on break, but I'll probably continue this even with real homework. This is not considered homework because I'm done with school, but I will soon be back to school. So yes, this will be practice. Alright, question 2. This already looks hard. Okay, so first thing I noticed that there's a 2x here and then there's a formula to change it, which I completely forgot. Alright, let me try to remember. It's a double angle formula, right? Let's just write it. This is a great tip. If you don't know if you can't remember, just write it. Sometimes the mathematical spirit will get to you. I think this is cosine squared minus sine squared. I don't know, chat. Is it 2? I don't know. Is it that? Okay, I think I have to take a leap of faith. Yeah, because I think sine of 2x is 2 sine of x times cosine of x. Alright, locking it in. I think it's this. Trust. Alright, if it's that, let's just write it down. Why is my handwriting so bad? Alright, now what do? Let's see. I think we want to like simplify this. How do I simplify this? Wait a second. Why does this looks like a plus b, and this looks like this looks like b squared minus a squared. What if I decompose this to get an a plus b factor out, and then I can probably like simplify, yes. Trust, I am definitely not cooking. Alright, let's see it. So if I decompose this thing, if I think it's gonna be like cos of x minus sine of x times cos of x plus sine of x, and then you get cos squared minus sine squared. Yeah, this is definitely how it works. Now I'm just gonna do this. Don't forget the dx. That does not look like a d. And look at this. Yes, it simplifies life. Is good, everybody. Now we just gonna. Okay, so now we have this. And this is easy, right? This is the same as cos minus sine of derivative, no, integral of sine of x dx. And do we know, chat, what the answer is? Absolutely not. Oh my G crisis, I forgot. You guys can't see everything because I have this panel here. Hopefully you guys can see. Hopefully I didn't mess up. Anyways, okay, I think this how it works is you need to find the answer where the derivative gives you this. So what's the derivative that gives you cos? I think the derivative of sine of x gives you cosine of x, right? The derivative, I think this is of sine of x will give you cosine of x minus. Now, what derivative of what will give you sine of x? I think the derivative of cosine of x gives you minus sine of x, which means that the derivative of minus cosine of x will give you sine of x, because you add a minus, and minus times minus equals positive. So minus cosine of x plus c, and if you think about it, that's just sine of x plus cosine of x plus c. What a beautiful answer. Hopefully it is correct. Please be correct. Let's test. Alright, and the answer is sine of x plus cosine of x plus c. Oh my G crisis, I cooked, guys. I have never get this lucky before. Oh my god. Alright, 2 for 2. Life is good. 2 for 2. The camera math wallpaper. No, it's not that. It's an integral title, right? Yeah. Now select the font. No, it's not that. Properties. 2 completed. First try 2. Alright, we're on fire, and it's been like what? Like, I've been recording for 18 minutes. I did 2 questions only in 18 minutes. Oh my G gracious. I don't know, guys. This is not good. This is not good. And there's a lot more to do. Oh my god. Alright, I think that's gonna be it. I'm gonna do 2 questions. I think that's all for today. Because it's getting late, it's 10:24. I'll probably have to sleep soon. Hopefully, I will upload tomorrow. And of course, depends on you guys, right? If you guys watch, you'll give me the motivation. But yes. Alright, see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully, I'll upload this and it won't take that much time. And see you guys tomorrow. Peace!